Alright kids, here we go. Vintage unboxing time now. Yeah, it's the Wang cleaning kit. I'm going to save it for the comments. Diskette drive cleaning kit for 5¼ inch disk drives, flexible disk drives, because I guess there was like a hard version. There's little tabs you break out, spots that you put the cleaning kit in, and then it says to actuate the drive for a while. Then it says to mark it off like after you've used it a bunch, which we're not going to do unless it just starts looking brown. Single or dual-sided drives, easy to use by inexperienced operator. Let's take a look and see what's inside. You know what's inside? I bet it's what it said right on the cover. Now this is what I thought is the interesting slash smart part, because you did have double-sided and single-sided floppies. Keep one for your single-sided drive and use the other for your double-sided drive. So you know what I'm saying. There's options here. Why should you clean your disk drive heads? Because it's just a good idea. And because, I'll tell you why in a minute. Diskette drive cleaning solution, 4 ounces, irritating to eyes, fluorocarbons, so this is probably going to deplete the ozone, and isopropyl alcohol. So why did I buy this? There's my dogs arguing in the background. We call it the floor show because it's the world's most slowest, most boring dog fight. Why did I buy this? Because what I have over there in my big mess of wires, I have an Apple II GS that happens to have a 5¼ inch disk drive as well as a 3½ inch disk drive. I've actually got 2 5¼ inch drives, so I'm going to clean this one and find out what's on that diskette that I believe I've had probably since high school at least, maybe middle school. So anyway, if it works. So tune in for that, give us a subscribe because that is going to be a separate video. Thanks for watching, hope you found something interesting here, and tune in for the mystery.